Thank you for calling Covenant Heating, Air, and Plumbing. How may I help you?
I'm calling about my air conditioner. It's making a really strange sound, almost like a high-pitched whirr.
We'll send someone right over. Thank you for calling Covenant Heating, Air, and Plumbing. How may I help you?
I don't know where this noise is coming from. Ping, 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 like that.
Don't worry, we've heard it all before. No matter what your heating or cooling problem is, Covenant can help. Give us a call today at Covenant Heating, Air, and Plumbing.